Greetings to everyone. In this video, we would like to tell you about the mountains close to our town and how we presented them to our schoolmates. The Bükk Mountains are located in the northeast part of Hungary, between the mountains of Matra and Tokaj. It has the tallest average height of all Hungary's mountain ranges with over 900 meters. It's mostly known for its beautiful caves, its massive plateau, its diverse flora and fauna, and that it consists of limestone. The last point is not entirely true. In reality, it consists of 35 known formations divided into 8 regions, each with different types of rocks from different ages. These formations can be divided into 3 main groups. First, Central Bükk. This is the middle and the highest part of the mountain range. There is a high diversity of petrology here, although it is mostly made of limestone from the Mesozoic age, Triassic and Jurassic, and here and there metamorphic volcanic rocks, metabasalt and metaandesite. Second, Bükkláb literally means at the foot of the Bükk. It is the northern part of the territory that splits it into the hills of Tardana and the slightly separated Upony mountain range. Some of our oldest samples, dating from the Carboniferous period of the Paleozoic age, come from here. Third, Bükkaja or Lower Bükk. This is where our town is, and these areas we can again find some limestone from the Mesozoic age, as well as shales, basalt and dolomite. In the valley of the Sinva stream, the variety of limestone is particularly large, and what's more, many of them are mined to supply the local cement industry. The mountain of Miskolc, the Avas, is of volcanic origin and an important landscape of Miskolc. But how can we present such an enormous and complex feature like a mountain range to other students? Our idea was to collect a standard sample of each type of stone, which would give a good representation of the diversity of the range, then build a mini mountain range using these rocks. Much preparation had to be done in advance. First, analysis of the specific literary sources and geological maps of the surface. Second, getting to know the descriptions of the formations, identifying the location of the various types. Third, selection of the types of rocks to be presented. Fourth, gathering proper samples by marking their source using GPS. Fifth, preparing the previously collected stones, natural, fractured and faceted surfaces. And sixth, arrangement of the stones corresponding to the geological map of the Bükk. But this is worth nothing if the students cannot see it. In Hungary, at the end of September every year, an event called the Researcher Science is Wonderful Night is organized, in which our school also participates by organizing interesting workshops for teenagers. Our presentation was a part of the event too, where the participants could not only get to know the geologic forms of the nearby mountains, but could also take home a little part of the mountain after sanding and varnishing.